Bonjour tout le monde! So in this video we're going to look at some bird ID en français, in French. And this is bird ID you can do at home when you're out on a walk, and there's a sheet that you can download to go along with this where you can tick off the different birds that you see. So we're going to learn the names in French of the different birds, and then you can tick them off as you see them when you're out on a walk. Okay, allons-y! So underneath this video there is a link to a bird ID vocabulary sheet and check sheet in French which you can download and use. So if you download this from the link which is there, and in here you've got two little bits. You've got nom en anglais where you would have to put in the name in English of the bird. J'ai vu cet oiseau. J'ai vu cet oiseau. And j'ai vu cet oiseau means I have seen this bird. So you can go through this and you can tick off the birds as you see them when you're out and about, and then you can check what you think they are and write their name in English, en anglais. Okay, so you can fill this out, and it's got all the different birds that we covered in this video, and if you scroll down you'll find the English translations of them, so you can check. If you're not sure what they are, you can check underneath and then complete the words for them. Whoops. Voila. So the way we say birds in French is les oiseaux, les oiseaux. So, and we're going to look at the different types of birds that we might commonly see in Scotland and what their names are en français, in French. So I want you to listen and watch the video, and if you recognise what the type of bird is, then you can say what it is in English, and you might want to just practice saying the words after me as we go through the different pronunciations of them. Okay? Alors, on y va. Let's go. Alors, premièrement, un merle. Un merle. Super, un merle. Alors, voici un merle. Et le mâle est noir. La femelle est brune. Okay, le mâle est noir. La femelle est brune. Alors, voici un mésange bleu. Un mésange bleu. Voici un mésange bleu. C'est mignon. Et voici un mésange-charbonnier. Un mésange-charbonnier. Okay, so they look quite similar, don't they? The mésange-bleu and the mésange-charbonnier. They look quite similar to each other, so have a look and see if you can tell what the difference is. Is there something about them that helps you to recognize how they are different? Alors, un mésange-charbonnier. Alors, voici un mésange bleu. Un mésange bleu. Voici un mésange bleu. C'est mignon. Voici un mésange charbonnier. Voici un rouge-gorge. Bonjour. Et voici un moineau. Voici un moineau. Un moineau. Mais il n'y a pas un moineau, il y a deux moineaux. Un, deux. Deux moineaux. Super. Et voici une grive. Une grive. Une grive. Bravo. Voici un pinson. Voici un pinson. Voici le mâle. Voici la femelle. Ensuite, une pie. Une pie. Une pie. Voici une pie. et les pis sont noirs et blonds. Les pis sont noirs et blonds. Une pie. Alors, un chardonneret. Un chardonneret. Voici un chardonneret. Et les chardonnerets sont de quelle couleur? Les chardonnerets sont rouge, blanc, noir, brun et jaune. Bravo! Ensuite, un corbeau. Un corbeau. Un corbeau. Un corbeau. Bravo! Et finalement, une muette. Une muette. Une muette. Bravo! Très bien tout le monde. So I hope you enjoyed bird watching en français. Use your downloadable sheet to match them up in English. See which ones you recognise and look out for them when you're out on your walks. Okay, au revoir!